All right, on to that story on Sacred Heart Girls Mukumu. The Kenya Union of Post-Primary Education Teachers is calling out the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Education for slacking on their public health mandate following the death of 3 students and a teacher at Sacred Heart Mukumu Girls High School. On their part, they condemn the forceful retirement of Sacred Heart Mukumu Girls High School principal Fridah Ndolo and the restructuring of the school's board. On their part, members of parliament want stern action taken against the bodies found culpable, even as the Directorate of Public Health has been put on the spot.
The death of 3 students and a teacher at Sacred Heart Mukumu Girls High School continues to cause outrage, as stakeholders are now demanding answers and speedy inquiries into the matter. Despite the Ministry of Health indicating that the cause of death in the institution was caused by a neurotoxigenic E. coli and Salmonella typhi, they have put the Directorate of Public Health to task, accusing them of sleeping on their job.
Our team observed that the water that is being used in the school is stored in an underground tank, close to which runs a sewer line. The possibility of sewer contaminating water in the tank due to the sewer seepage is very high.
On their part, Parliament is also calling for speedy investigations, with members of Parliament accusing the ministries for neglecting school environments.
It's very sad when the government and the Ministry of Health doesn't come out clear and address the issues that are affecting our children in schools.
But secondaries have over-enrolled, causing congestion. A school like Mukumu Girls, which should be hosting 1,000 students, is now hosting more than 2,000 students. So there is congestion in classrooms, congestion in dormitories, congestion in the use of all the facilities. And then secondly, Mr. Speaker, with this expansion, water management has not improved. You find that most schools use boreholes, and these boreholes, the water is not treated.
Butere boys had also reported cases of contamination, which saw students also hospitalized.
Punishing Madam Ndolo only serves to undermine efforts to find lasting solutions to the problem over which she had no control. And regrettably, her forcible retirement fits in a pattern where our hard-working principals are used as sacrificial lamb to assuage public anger.
KUPPET is now calling upon the Ministries of Education and Health to account for their responsibilities under the Kenya School Health Policy of 2018. Helen Aura, NTV.
Those reports will be filed and posted on our